How you doing? It's Vince, Backyard Mangoes, and let's do a little updating here. What's going to go on here at the end of mango season 2024? So right here's this big Edwards tree, and I'm trying to show you how large it is. I only got 3 mangoes out of it. Now I have about 4 grafts on it, and because mango season 2024 was such poor production for everyone everywhere, this thing just got a stay of execution. Because I was ready to cut it down to nothing and then just regraft a bunch of other stuff on there, but it is such a great mango. It just doesn't produce. Right behind this one, there's a banana tree. That big tree behind the banana tree. How's that one? That big tree behind the banana tree, that's a Tommy. I'm going to cut it down because it's way too high. It's, I don't know, 30 feet high or more. And I need to cut the center out of it. And we're starting to, I don't ship Tommies much anymore. I just need to cut it down, bring it down to size. And what I am using Tommy for is my green mango pickles. A lot of people have those at the Mango Fest. They are fantastic. Now let's look at what's happening over here. Right behind me, this is the sour sop. It produced about 20 fruits this year. It was really good. And you're wondering what the blue bucket's for. Um, well, I put some fish and chicken scraps in the blue bucket. It stinks a little bit, but I do it during the flowering time of year, and it attracts flies. Excuse me. Flies are a good secondary pollinator. Bees are the best, but hey, man, I want to make sure I get this thing pollinated or everything pollinated. So all of my trees. This tree right here is a avocado, and it's called a bacon avocado. Very frustrating. So unless Tom from Guac Farm, I'll call him out, comes up to West Palm Beach area, this thing's gonna go. It's a great flavor. I just can't get it to produce and hold fruit. It had about 100, probably over 100 little avocados on there, and it is just down to like a few. Where's that one at? Try to get my camera in there. Where's the right there? There it is. You can barely see it's backlit, so you're not gonna see much. But I am down to about 5 avocados on a tree this size. So because I'm just down so many avocados, it's just taking up space. And for a tree this size to have 5 avocados, um, I'd better be used for better space used as something else. I've sprayed it with some fungicides, tried to clear any issues up. This is a jackfruit from a seedling, so I'm excited to see what it is. I have 3 seedling jackfruits. One is a mushy kind, one is a very crunchy kind, and this one I don't remember what seed I got it from, what party I was at, and but it should produce next year. I'm hoping it started to try to produce and flower this year. Still a little bit young, but I think next year it will produce. But the big key for me is there's a little papaya tree. This papaya is a red papaya, delicious. But this avocado is the one that is just got to go. Um, just doesn't produce. And if it's here taking up space um, with no production, then why is it here? Birds aren't living in it. So I think I'm going to cut it down, take out the stump, and plant a mango. Key is what mango, right? There's a lot of space. Maybe I can get a CAC in here. CAC is good. I've been wanting one of those. Quesar, that's a delicious one. All right. Thank you for watching.